tell us about yourself. This is the one of the most asking question in interviews. So just talk about your academic backgrounds, interests and motivation. So just give a brief introduction about yourself. Why do you wish to pursue a PhD? When I was earning my master's degree, I tutored first year students and quickly realized that I enjoy sharing my knowledge with others. I also feel comfortable and energized in the academic environment. For these reasons, I want to continue my studies with a PhD so I can pursue a career as a lecturer and hopefully one day as a professor. I am passionate about my research in global economics and I think it is a very relevant topic in the world today. I am excited about furthering my knowledge in this field and hope to make a valuable academic contribution. Why do you think you are the right candidate for this PhD program? I completed a master's degree in environmental science, specifically focusing on the effect of global warming in water resources in India. During earning my degree, I spent a time travel through other states in India, in which I learned more about the water problems in our country. As this PhD program concerns the access and availability of alternative water resources. It strongly aligns with my previous research and my field of interest. I would like to use my research to make a difference in the lives of many groups in India. What do you plan to do after you have completed your PhD? I have had a clear vision of what career I would like to pursue since I earned my bachelor's degree. After I have completed my PhD in chemical science, I want to earn my license and open my own institution. Why have you chosen this specific PhD program? Since I was a junior in high school, I have dreamed of joining this chemical department. Since it's one of the best in the state, I especially appreciate the work of professors and know that he is one of the top academic in chemical science. It is because of his work that I decided to earn my masters in this field. I would be honored to him as my PhD advisor. What impact would you like to PhD project to have? I am passionate about increasing environmental awareness. That is why I initially enrolled in an environmental science degree for my master research. I started focusing on bringing environmental education programs to third countries. My PhD research will be extension of my master's degree as I want to develop free environmental education software for schools in underfunded areas. What are your strengths and weaknesses? This is the straightforward questions which will be asked in your interview. So mention your strengths and weaknesses. PhD interview tips are give attention to your appearance. Means first impression is the best impression, I think so. So go with the formal dress in which you feel comfortable. Next is be honest and open. Be prepared. I think one the must say is preparation. Practice yourself with these questions and also be ready with the questions which you don't know. So try to be honest, open and be prepared and practice very well.